Hey everyone, this is Dr. Tim, and this is front plank on your forearms. So on our forearms, our palms are flat on the ground, and we're up on our toes. So we got to go through a little bit of a checklist before we begin. Starting with our neck, we want to make sure our chin isn't jutted forward. We're kind of in a retracted position. Our neck is trying to be long, so imagine someone's pulling your head straight forward, and eyes are just gazing around your fingers. And then through our shoulder blades and upper back, we don't want to be dumping out here. We want to make sure we push the ground away and are nice and strong. And then through our low back, we don't want to be tilted this way. We kind of want to tilt our pelvis under us and make sure our back is nice and flat. And then to create some tension, what we're going to do is push the kind of heels of our hand into the ground. We're going to squeeze our butt and pull our kneecaps up to get the quads. And we just hold. If this position is too difficult for you, you can drop down onto your knees and do the same from here.